Actually, that reinforces the block of Senator Win Gatchalian. Baka madaming misunderstand nung dismissal ng Supreme Court. Hindi sinasabi ng Supreme Court na mali yung quorum na 12. Hindi nila sinasabi na invalid ang election ni Senator Win as pro tempore and yung kanyang pag-act as acting Senate President. Walang ganun sinabi ang Supreme Court. Ang petition kasi ni Barry Tayam, while it is quote-unquote favorable to the block of Senator Win Gatchalian, ang kanyang prayer or yung kanyang goal ay for the Supreme Court to declare the quorum of 12 as valid and the election of Win Gatchalian as pro tempore valid. Yun yung kanyang prayer. So, does it mean nung dinismiss ba ng Supreme Court, mali na yon? The opposite is true? No. Ang ginawa lang ng Supreme Court, dinismiss yung petition ni Barry Tayam because ang sabi ng Supreme Court, hindi ikaw, Mr. Barry Tayam, ang tamang tao para mag-file ng petition. Wala kaming sinasabi sa merits, wala kaming sinasabi sa quorum, 12 or 13, Avellino versus Cuenco, wala. Walang sinabi ang Supreme Court. Ang sabi lang, wala kang standing or legal injury, wala kang sarili mong stake or interest doon sa kinakaso mo, kaya hindi namin yan pwedeng
so sino
desisyonan.
dapat? Isa sa mga senador, ganon?
Well, if we follow Avellino versus Cuenco, it has to be Senator Alan Peter Cayetano because he's the one claiming to still be the Senate President. But as I mentioned kanina, no, sabi nyo nga, mukha nung una, paprobable kay Alan Peter tong pag-dismiss ng petition kay Barry Tayam. In my opinion, actually, it favors the block of Senator Win Gatchalian. Why? Because it seems like that the Supreme Court is not interested na makimedel sa issue ng Senado because kahit naman walang standing si Barry Tayam, ang Supreme Court kasi, kapag may nakita siyang transcendental importance or ibang exception, it can intervene. Hindi siya nag-intervene. It means the Supreme Court does not think that the issue is something that it should intervene in urgently. Walang urgency. Kasi nga, why? De facto, nakikinig ang Senado kay Senator Win Gatchalian. Sabi niya, work from home. Nag-work from home ang mga tao. Nag-issue din ng memo si Alan Peter Cayetano. Sabi niya, hindi work from home. 8 to 5 p.m. ang working hours. May inisyu ng ganong notice
Walang nakinig.
si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. But, hindi pumasok ang mga employees work from home. Sila, that's one. Second, maliban doon sa sinasabi kong land bank kanina, di ba? We have to notice. Nag-issue ng notice si Senator Win Gatchalian ng notice of pre-trial order. I don't know kung na-spot niyo yun. So sabi niya sa impeachment prosecutors, sabi niya sa House, sabi niya kay VP Sara, nag-issue siya ng notice, let's meet on June 18 para magkaroon ng pre-trial sa impeachment. Walang in-issue si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano na similar order. Only Win Gatchalian issued a notice of pre-trial. So what does that mean? Siya talaga yung acting Senate President. Kasi siya nag-issue nun as a presiding officer of the impeachment trial. So, overall, itong dismissal ng petition ni Barry Tayam actually reinforces the fact na internal political issue, yung election ng Senate President, Senate pro tempore, ng leadership ng Senate, and the Supreme Court is more or less saying, hands off kami dito.